Improving the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these steps to optimize your console's graphics settings. Step 1. Access the Settings menu. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X and press the Xbox button on your controller. Scroll down to the Profile and System tab, then select Settings. Step 2. Select General Settings. In the Settings menu, choose General. This will open up various options related to your console's performance and display settings. Step 3. Go to TV and Display Options. Under the General Settings, select TV and Display Options. Here, you can adjust the resolution, refresh rate, and other display settings to match your TV's capabilities. Step 4. Adjust video modes. Within the TV and Display Options, look for video modes. Enable features like Allow 120 Hz and allow variable refresh rate if your TV supports them. This can improve frame rates and reduce screen tearing. Step 5. Check for updates. Finally, return to the main settings menu and select System, then Updates. Ensure your console is running the latest software version, as updates can include performance enhancements and new graphics options. By following these steps, you can optimize the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your enhanced gameplay.